Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Baquacil Universal Filter Cleaner. What is Baquacil Universal Filter Cleaner? Universal Filter Cleaner is great at cleaning all types of filters. Water quality and filtration can be greatly improved by cleaning your filter a minimum of twice per year. This cleaner works on debris, scale, oils, and organic waste. Product benefits: cleans pool filters, 1/2 gallon per cleaning. Usage directions: sand filter, backwash filter, and then remove water from pump basket and pour in 1/2 gallon of this product. Turn the pump on and backwash into the filter. When water appears in the backwash sight glass or from the air release valve, turn off the pump. Let the product soak in the filter overnight. After soaking, backwash the filter thoroughly. Avoid getting products into the pool. Note: before backwashing, distribute several gallons of Baquacil Total Alkalinity Increaser on the ground in the backwash area to neutralize the pH. Place the multiport valve in the backwash position and backwash until the water in the sight glass is clean. Resume normal operation. Cartridge and DE filters. In a clean plastic container, a garbage can, pour 1/2 gallon of Baquacil Universal Filter Clean in 5 gallons of water. For DE filters, backwash thoroughly and then remove the DE grids. For cartridge filters, remove the cartridge and rinse off any loose debris. Soak the DE grids or cartridges overnight in the Baquacil Universal Cleaner solution. Be sure grids or cartridges are completely immersed in the cleaning solution. After soaking, remove and rinse thoroughly with water, then replace elements and resume normal operation. Note: neutralize the acid solution prior to disposal. Very slowly add Baquacil Total Alkalinity Increaser to the solution until foaming subsides. The product should take a minimum of 15 minutes. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.